Hey there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today we're going to be creating this thumbnail design using Adobe Photoshop. Most importantly, I would like to welcome our new and returning viewers. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Without much ado, let's dive right into the tutorial. So let's make this into a thumbnail, a good thumbnail. First, let's add some vibrance to the picture. Or let's just use it from the camera raw. I'll duplicate it, then I'll convert it to smart object. I go to camera raw, filter, camera raw. Yes, let's not forget that the sky is still there and the layer. So we just want to have a little vibrance contrast on this picture. So I'll adjust my contrast a little, adjust my highlight. I'll drop my highlight, increase the shadow, drop the white a little, increase the black, increase the vibrant, so that these rich colors can come out, and a little of the vibrance, just a little, and exposure, I'll shift it out a little. This is before and this is after. I can drop the shadow, increase the shadow a little. I add a little curve, just a little. After which we can click on OK, and let's see the result. Now this is the result, and this is before and this is after. Now this is sky. The sky is still very intact. All right, so I think I love this. Let's bring in one or two things to make it more like a thumbnail. Let's make it creative. Let's bring in an image. I think I like this image. Let's bring this in. Let's add some camera raw, filter, camera raw, effect, basically add a little contrast. I want clarity, I want it to be a bit sharp. It's too much, just a little shadow. I'll bring the shadow out. The highlight, let's make the highlight a bit high. Contrast, then a little, just a little of everything. Now look at the picture. This is before and this is after. All right, what we just quickly, one or two effects on the picture as well. Add a little brilliance. Click on this to the mark on the picture. Add a little, just a little, just maybe like 2 or 3. 2, 3. Then we add, go back there, fill, %, gray. Then we have it as linear light. With this, I can actually, we come here, linear light. With this, I can actually adjust. Let me duplicate it. I can adjust the highlights and the dodge. So right click here, create clip marks. Right click on the first one to create clip marks. Because this highlight is for the dodge to apply, it will lighten up the places that should be. Apply the dodge. Let's reduce the exposure to maybe like 10. So I apply it on the white. Anyway, I see that it's a bit bright. That's where I'm going to apply it. Now let's apply the bond too. You can reduce the fill or the opacity just a little. Apply the bond too. Come to the bond too. Increase it a little. Reduce the exposure as well to maybe 10. And apply it here. You can reduce this as well. Now if I adjust this, and this before and this after. Reduce the opacity a little. All right, now let's just have a little curve just to darken up part a little. Let me use the brush. Increase the size of the brush. And we're gonna apply black on the image. Then behind this picture, we can have little white. Apply a little brush on there so that it can really pop out. Just a little. And after which you can apply hue and saturation just a little. Apply black. Increase the size. Let's have a skeleton board on it. Let's give it an outline. Black outline. Then we can equally group it. Now the little outer glow. Increase the size, the spread, the size. I want this skatting board to be on it, so on the beach. So let's have it on the beach. Then there's something I do to just add a little spice to the overall picture to make it come out pop. You press Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all the pictures together while you still retain the very elements. And you can convert it to a smart object and apply Camera Raw. Add a little contrast. Use the highlight if you want. Just tweaking it so that it can pop, come out well. And this is before, and this is the after. So let's go. We converted a simple sky picture to this was the before. That was the initial picture we used, and we converted it to a thumbnail, an attractive thumbnail. And we added this, a little camera, added curve. We replaced the sky. We added a little white overlay, and this is our picture here. We applied Camera Raw to it. This was before. we brightened it up a little, applied highlights and the bone. Then we applied our picture, our text, sorry. We added a soften bar, added a little hue and saturation, but this time around black. Then we did the Ctrl Shift E to merge it together. Then we have this. So this is a thumbnail.